Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Jetsono pressure washer. So right off the bat, when you come to their website, they claim to get a professional grade cleaning power without hiring expensive services, clean your driveway and home exterior 10 times faster in under 5 minutes, effortlessly remove stubborn stains without breaking a sweat, use it on driveways, patios, fences, cars, windows, and more. One tool does it all. So it is portable, ultra lightweight, multiple surfaces, functional design, high pressure. So they have a lot of things here that mislead you. So, and as you can see, is not the same. The video here is not the same as this video. So this is a different pressure washer. Even this and this, these are just different videos. They just put on different videos in this website, videos of pressure washers. So also these reviews are fake. So if you actually come here to Reddit, Jetsono is a scam. So if you also search it, Jetsono scam. So as you can see here in malware tips, I've seen some people review it. So if you come here to negative experiences reported elsewhere, on Trustpilot, Jetsono has a dismal 1.5 out of 5 stars based on 35 reviews. Multiple buyers call it a scam, reporting receiving a cheap, weak product. One user tested it personally and says it doesn't work as advertised. Many describe the pressure performance as no better than a standard garden hose. Testers found the pressure washer lacked power and struggled with basic cleaning tasks. So I advise you to not buy this pressure washer since it is clearly a scam. It has the website itself raises multiple red flags. And yeah, that is it. That is Jetsono pressure washer. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.